So what does it look like when a content creator is having a little bit of an introspective kind of day? Let's have a look.
This is how we do it.
Hey everybody, it's Shane from waitingtobeseen.com and it is Vlogstock Friday. I'm so pleased that you've come along and you've joined me for what is a little bit more of an introspective kind of day. And the reason for that is because I was just watching a clip, fantastic clip, by a guy named Ira Glass. Now, I could go through all of the particulars myself, but it's a vlog. So why don't I just show you what the guy's got to say.
Nobody tells people who are beginners, and I really wish somebody had told this to me, is that all of us who do creative work, like, you know, we get into it, and we get into it because we have good taste. But it's like there's a gap, that for the first couple years that you're making stuff, what you're making isn't so good, okay? It's not that great. It's trying to be good. It has ambition to be good, but it's not quite that good. But your taste, the thing that got you into the game, your taste is still killer. And your taste is good enough that you can tell that what you're making is kind of a disappointment to you. You know what I mean? And the thing I would just like say to you with all my heart is that most everybody I know who does interesting creative work, they went through a phase of years where they had really good taste, they could tell what they were making wasn't as good as they wanted it to be. They knew it felt short. It didn't have this special thing that we wanted it to have. And the thing I would say to you is everybody goes through that. And for you to go through it, if you're going through it right now, if you're just getting out of that phase, you gotta know it's totally normal. And the most important possible thing you could do is do a lot of work. Do a huge volume of work. Put yourself on a deadline so that every week or every month you know you're going to finish one story. Because it's only by actually going through a volume of work that you're actually going to catch up and close that gap. And the work you're making will be as good as your ambitions. It takes a while. It's going to take you a while. It's normal to take a while, and you just have to fight your way through that. Okay?
So I think that Ira Glass has said it all. I don't need to add too much more to that. I just want to show some of the stuff that I've made over the years that has helped, you know, the work that has helped to bridge the chasm between my competence level and my taste, the stuff that I wanted to get into. And this stuff that you're watching today, this is all part of my journey. It's going to push me further and further towards that goal of connecting with my taste. But in the meantime, it's a journey, right? Now, there are a number of you out there that actually know me personally, and you know that I've been involved in church life for quite a number of years, okay? And as a part of that, I was actually involved with the church's youth group for 11 years. And I'm telling you, if you want to get creative stuff done, all bets are off, especially when you're dealing with teenagers, because they just have these fantastic creative ideas. And we put together this clip called Bianca Lee Receptionist. It was a complete rip-off of Bobby Lee, Scientist.
What are you doing, Joe? Joe, you are a scientist. This is what you do. You never push the buttons like that.
Sometimes I do.
Do that again, do that again. Cut. Is this what you normally do?
Sometimes I do.
Basically, I was producing and we just had all of these amazing young people pull the thing together themselves, which was pretty sweet. The year before, we thought, hey, you know what? We actually want to put together a video that's, what would you say? We wanted to actually put together a short film festival, right? Just something to get these teens making creative stuff, just being creative. And so I made a stupid video, and this is the video. In doing that, I learned some really great skills within After Effects. So that framing that you saw around the edge, that was a brand new skill that I learned to be able to firstly put that framing in place and then to animate it. And it was actually animated to the music that was tracking along with that video. Being able to add some kind of really sweet motion graphics is going to increase the production value of any video that you're involved in. And so even though I do find it embarrassing, without that foundation, I wouldn't know how to use motion graphics and After Effects in productions that I work on today. My average view count has been between 30 to 50 views per video. This video has 50,000 views. 50,000 views. It elicited some anger from people. And because people got angry because I was trying to disprove this apparition, it went viral in my context. Like I said, 30 to 50 views compared to 50,000, that's viral to me, man. This final video was actually a leap forward a number of years. John Reichardt is brilliant. And he might get embarrassed to hear me say that, but he really is. So this video that I'm about to show you now is actually the 4th music video that we did together. And it was different to the first 3 because he'd already laid the music track. Now, in terms of video production, music video production, that's more standard. They actually then sing along with the music track or play along with the music track. And in terms of camera speak, you block out the kind of shots that you're looking for, you set everything up, you press play, and then you go, okay, action, and then they'll rock out to do whatever.
Turn up the lights in here, baby. Extra bright, I want y'all to see this. Turn up the lights in here, baby. You know what I need. Want you to see all of the fast cars, shooting stars, all of the lights, all of the lights. Until it's Vegas everywhere we are.
There you have it. It's the end of Vlogstock Friday. If I've encouraged you to make content and to be the content creator that you want to be, then my work here is done. If you've enjoyed the video, then hit the like button. And if you've really enjoyed it, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and you'll find out as soon as the new vlogs are uploaded. And there endeth the vlog for Vlogstock Friday.
That's gonna leave a mark.
What?